Do you know about the new YouTube monetization rules of 2024? It's essential for anyone navigating the digital landscape, whether you're an established content creator or just starting your journey. Understanding these rules is like having a roadmap to success. The year 2024 has brought a fresh set of guidelines that significantly impact how you earn from your content on YouTube. From shifts in eligibility criteria to changes in content guidelines, ad revenue, and payment structures, YouTube's landscape has been reshaped. These changes are not just minor tweaks, but transformative shifts aimed at fostering a more inclusive, fair, and rewarding environment for creators. It's a new era, a different ballgame, and being in the know is your best bet to thrive in this evolving ecosystem. So whether you're an animation guru, a daily vlogger, a DIY enthusiast, or a gaming ace, these changes affect you. Stay tuned to learn more about the new YouTube monetization rules. So, what does it take to qualify for monetization in 2024? Well, to start with, YouTube has updated the eligibility criteria for its partner program. The partner program is the platform that allows creators to earn money from ads and YouTube Premium subscribers watching their content. Now let's break down these new requirements, shall we? First up is the subscriber count. Previously, you needed a minimum of 1,000 subscribers to be eligible for monetization. Now, in 2024, YouTube requires you to have at least 2,000 subscribers. That's a significant increase. It means you'll need to put in extra effort to grow your community, engage with your audience, and consistently produce content that your viewers love. Next, we have the watch hours requirement. In the past, you needed 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. This year, YouTube has bumped up the requirement to 4,500 watch hours. This means your content needs to not only attract viewers, but also retain them for a longer duration. Make sure your videos are engaging and high quality to meet this new criterion. And it's not just about the numbers either. YouTube also considers the nature of your content. Your content should comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines. It means no copyright infringements, no inappropriate content, and definitely no misleading metadata. So, always keep these rules in mind while creating your content. Remember, meeting these eligibility requirements is only the first step. Once you've met these thresholds, your channel will be reviewed to make sure it's in line with YouTube's policies and guidelines before you can start earning money from your content. And of course, you must live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. So make sure to check out if your location is on the list. But that's not all. There's more to the eligibility criteria. We'll be discussing this in more detail in the upcoming scenes, so stick around for that. How about the content? What changes have been made in that regard? It's a question that's probably been on your mind since we started talking about the new monetization rules. So let's dive right into it. Content, without a doubt, is the heart and soul of YouTube. It's what sets creators apart and builds communities. The new rules of 2024 have made some significant changes in terms of content guidelines, and it's crucial to understand these to ensure your content aligns with them. First off, copyright rules have undergone some adjustments. YouTube has always been stringent about copyright infringement, but the new rules have taken this a notch higher. Using copyrighted material without permission could lead to immediate demonetization and in some cases, even channel suspension. It's a clear message. Originality is not just valued, it's required. Next, let's talk about community guidelines. These are essentially the rules of the road for YouTube. They've been revised to foster a safe and respectful environment. Hate speech, harassment, and harmful or dangerous content are strictly prohibited. Any violation of these guidelines can have serious consequences, including loss of monetization privileges. The new content guidelines also emphasize the importance of advertiser-friendly content. This is content that's appropriate for a wide audience and doesn't involve sensitive subjects or controversial issues. Remember, advertisers are more likely to place ads on content that aligns with their brand image. Now you might be thinking, does this limit creative freedom? Not necessarily. It's about striking a balance between creativity and compliance. It's about creating content that resonates with your audience while also respecting the platform's rules and the wider community. In essence, the new rules have raised the bar for content on YouTube. They've made it clear that quality, respect, and originality are paramount. And yes, while it can be a challenge to navigate these guidelines, it's a step towards ensuring a better platform for creators and viewers alike. Content is king, but there's also more to consider in the new rules. Now let's talk money. How does the new system affect your earnings? The 2024 updates to YouTube's monetization rules have brought about some significant changes in how ad revenue is distributed and how payments are made. First things first, the ad revenue split. Previously, YouTube used a standard 45 to 55% split. where creators received 55% of ad revenue, and YouTube took the remaining 45%. However, under the new rules, the revenue split is more dynamic, depending more on the type of ads that run on your videos and how viewers interact with them. For example, if your content tends to attract more premium advertisers who pay higher rates, you might see a larger share of the ad revenue. On the contrary, if your content draws advertisers who pay lower rates, your share might be a bit smaller. This approach is designed to incentivize creators to produce high-quality content that attracts premium ads. As for payments, YouTube is now offering more flexibility. You're no longer limited to receiving your earnings through AdSense. Other options like direct bank transfers and PayPal have been added to the mix. This is a welcomed change for many creators, especially those residing in countries where AdSense isn't available or widely used. Moreover, YouTube has also introduced a new payment threshold. Rather than the previous $100 threshold, creators can now choose their own payment thresholds, starting as low as $10. This change in particular is aimed at helping smaller creators to access their earnings more quickly. So, what does all this mean for you as a creator? Well, it means more control over your earnings and more opportunities to monetize your content. It also means that the quality of your content and your ability to attract premium advertisers could have a more significant impact on your earnings than before. In a nutshell, the new rules are geared towards giving creators more agency over their earnings, while also encouraging the production of high-quality content. So there have been quite a few changes in how you earn money on YouTube. But ad revenue isn't the only way to make money on YouTube, right? Absolutely. While ad revenue is a significant source of income for many creators, it's not the only game in town. There are several other ways to monetize your content on YouTube, especially under the new rules introduced in 2024. Firstly, there's YouTube Premium revenue. This is a neat little feature where you can earn a portion of a YouTube Premium subscriber's subscription fee when they watch your content. Under the new rules, the payout for this has been adjusted to be more proportional to the amount of time a premium subscriber spends on your channel. So, the more engaging your content is, the more you stand to make from YouTube Premium revenue. Secondly, we have channel memberships. This feature allows your viewers to pay a monthly recurring fee for special perks on your channel, such as badges, new emojis, and exclusive live chats. With the new rules, YouTube has lowered the subscriber requirement for channel memberships, making it easier for smaller channels to take advantage of this feature. Next up is Merchandise Shelf. This feature allows you to showcase your official merchandise right under your video. The new rules have expanded the types of products you can sell and the regions where the merchandise shelf is available. So, whether you're selling t-shirts or coffee mugs, there's a good chance you can make some extra cash through merchandise sales. Finally, there's Super Chat and Super Stickers. These are ways for your viewers to stand out in live chats by purchasing highlighted messages or stickers. The new rules have introduced more sticker options and expanded the availability of Super Chat and Super Stickers to more regions. Beyond these, there are also options like sponsored videos and brand collaborations, but these aren't directly controlled by YouTube's policies. However, they can be a great way to make money if you have a large audience or a highly specific niche. As you can see, there are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel. So don't limit yourself to just ad revenue. Explore these options and find the ones that work best for your channel. Let's quickly review what we've learned today. We've delved into the new YouTube monetization rules for 2024, starting with the updated eligibility criteria. Remember, these criteria are the stepping stones to monetizing your content, so take them seriously. Then, we dove into the content guidelines, highlighting the kind of content that YouTube encourages and discourages. Don't forget that these guidelines are crucial for maintaining a healthy relationship with YouTube and your audience. We also explored the changes in ad revenue and payment, underlining how you can make the most out of your monetization efforts. And let's not forget the other monetization options we discussed, which can provide additional income streams and diversify your earnings. Understanding these changes is key to navigating the YouTube platform successfully and maximizing your earnings. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the new YouTube monetization rules of 2024.